Good morning. It is 12 o'clock New York Pacific Standard Time is 9:06 a.m. So here we are with the first part of the Dow Jones. The beige line that you see here, that is this S&P right here. And we can see that that beige line likes to come right up here where this hourly candle is at 25,810. Now, the blue lines and the pink line is the NASDAQ composite. The blue line is the NASDAQ 100 index. And we can see them down here. And we can see that the S&P 500 is tracking right along with the opening bell this morning at our lunchtime update. So basically, we still do have a wall of resistance and whatnot, and we're getting what we call a slightly oversold condition in the volatility. When I take this particular trend line, and I'm going to take that, and it's going to go right here, and this is this diagonal line that you can see coming from the lows that we made here on 513. And we came right across here, and now we're right there at that zone. Now, let me go ahead and take another trend line from the same area, except it's going to be this particular move on 513. I'm going to take that. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to set that up so that you can get a very clear and a very solid picture of what's going on. And you can see that arrow, and it's coming right up there to 25,901, and it is. So basically, as we take a look on this hourly move today, you can see here that on 517, we had that gap down yesterday, and the Dow performed, and it couldn't break up higher to resistance levels. There is another trend channel that I'm going to draw here, and it's going to go like this. We're going to take the peak of the high over here that this date was on May 10th right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring that arrow, and it's going to go right, it's going to match right there. This is going to be that area right here. This was the top of that left elbow gap down on the Dow on these hourly time frames for each one of these days. So basically, we have a resistance that would be up here, and we're going to continue to see if there's any increased volume on the Dow Jones. And once again, it is all set up, and it's set up that beige line that you see here, that is the S&P CBOE, that is the S&P 500 index, and you can see it's kind of it's turning downward and whatnot. And this is going to be that wall of resistance. And we'll go ahead and we'll update this later in the day. I will give you one more that within the hourly trend channel and whatnot, is that we're going to take it from this low again, and we're going to put exactly right there. So you've got this diagonal line coming off of that high on May 10th, and it shoots right down to there. That's at 25.7. And once again, off of the lows that were put in on 513, we have these arrows that are going right up here, and this is the actual trend channel, and that wall of resistance for now will remain up there at 25.9. That is the morning update. It's 12:10 p.m. Eastern Time.